Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix heart rate sensor errors on Forerunner 7T. So first of all, let's get to the settings of this watch by holding down the up key, so the middle left key. Scroll down to watch settings. Now let's scroll down to health and wellness. Okay, here we have them. Select them and raised heart rate. Now let's disable this thing. Click OK, and after that hold down the top left key to enter the power menu. Let's power this device off, and now let's wipe the surface of the sensor using a microfiber cloth. If you have one. If you don't have one, use the cotton of your t-shirt, the cotton of, or if you're not wearing a cotton t-shirt, then find a cotton t-shirt around and wipe the sensor using it. Okay. Now let's hold down the top left key to relaunch our watch, and then we'll re-enable the heart rate measuring feature. Okay, so once again we go to the previous menu, scroll down to watch settings, and scroll down to health and wellness. Raised heart rates. Let's enable it, and also make sure to enable the broadcast like this. Okay. Now we should be able to see our heart rate accurately. Let's test it out. Now, one good thing to know about is that you should check the watch fit and placement. So wear the watch snugly but comfortably, so it doesn't snap you too tightly. And the sensor itself should maintain continuous, constant skin contact. The only time when you actually need to tighten the strap slightly, it's when you are doing a workout. And also avoid wearing the watch too loosely where it can move around. Now the watch will also need some time to read our heart rate. Okay, now if we tap on this heart icon on our watch face, we'll be able to see our current, well, in this case my current heart rate. Now if you don't see your heart rate still, then what we can do is update the software on this watch. Just let me take it off my wrist. Now let's go back to settings, holding down this middle key, scroll down to watch settings, and now let's scroll down all the way down to system. Here we'll be able to find software update. That's what we're looking for. Now let's check for updates. Let's give it some time to check for available updates. Okay, so my device didn't find any available updates, but if you do find an update, then take your time to download and install it. And if your errors don't go away even after that, you can back up your device and then perform the factory reset in the restore and reset menu. So back up your device now, wait until the backup is finished, and then perform a reset by going to reset and selecting reset default settings. And after that, your heart rate measurement should return back to normal. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.